I've got this 2016 30 kilowatt hour Leaf in today, which I've just put a 40 kilowatt hour battery in because the 30 was basically dead. You can see that it's only half charged and showing a good range. While finishing off, I found that it needs the brake firmware update. That's very easily done while it's in the workshop, so I'm just going to crack on and get that done for the customer, and then it makes the job even better. This particular car has two firmware updates available to it. Obviously, I'm going to go for the latest one, which covers the earlier one anyway, and then it gives him the absolute best. The software runs through deleting the old flash, and then it programs in the newer versions, as you can see still listed here. Once they're all done, it will do a brake pedal calibration as well, and then all of the safety aspects of the brake firmware update, which you can find on EVsEnhanced website. They will all be on the car, benefiting from improved regeneration as well.